Easy unit, the fan is not spinning. Take the run capacitors, it's very bad. Alright guys, just to make sure don't get shocked by tapping these pliers to terminal fan and herm, and also the terminal common C herm and common terminal fan. This is completely discharged the run capacitors. And next, label the black wires that come from kickstart's micropart going to the herms. The yellow one too, it's a herm. Put the label right here. Yellow wire goes to the herm. The brown wire is always in the fan. The violet wires going to the common. The orange wire is going to also the common. Finally, we review this capacitor. Is very bad. Uh, there's the signs like if you put the capacitor in the flat, which is gonna be a wiggle. That's very bad. This is the bad signs is wiggle the capacitor. Okay, this is a round capacitors, brand new. This is it. It's brand new. Skinny a little bit compared to the previous one, but the tall one skinny. This is the old one fat, and this is the brand new. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna take the capacity. It's the same. It's 50 plus 5. It's the same. Okay. Alright, I guess everything good. Just to try to run the AC. Okay, the fan's working. Alright. Okay, let's turn on the mains and AC right here. And then the power for the unit right here. It's off and it's on. It's on.
That's weird.
Okay, I'm here outside. Yeah, the fan is running. Right, so the unit conditioning outside is the fan is working now. It's very quiet. Before though it's very noisy. Now you can hear now it's very quiet. The fan is very quiet. It's running good, smooth. Alright, that's it for now. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel right here. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.